Here are some ways to increase the likelihood of having a healthier and happier relationship. First thing, we want to avoid the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse: criticism, contempt, defensiveness, and stonewalling. The important thing to know is it takes a lot of courage to override the fear, to lean into the relationship and trust in the partner. Trust, of course, needs to be gained. Trust can be gained by knowing that your partner is willing to enter your subjective reality and reflect back, hey, I get you. I understand that you are a different person from who I am, and I'm willing to listen for your love language. Love languages are described very simply as 5 different categories of ways that we can reach our partner's heart in a quick and efficient manner. Some of these love languages include quality time, acts of service, words of affirmation, physical touch, and gifts. I like to think of this as the platinum rule rather than the golden rule. Let's say I love milk chocolate and my partner loves dark chocolate, and I'm always giving her milk chocolate and she's always giving me dark chocolate because it's what we like. That's the golden rule. Do unto others as you'd want done unto you. Turns out, slightly flawed. The platinum rule is do unto others as they want done. So I would give my partner dark chocolate and she would give me milk chocolate. We can do that in the form of love languages, and it's a way of showing I am entering your world, and it has very quick impact. Another quick way to reach your partner is hugging. What happens during a 20-second hug? We release oxytocin, which is our connection hormone. It's the one that mothers feel when they are breastfeeding their babies. It's the one that we feel when we feel loved. Notice what's right. Our brains have a great ability to notice what's wrong. In fact, often we get paid to notice what's wrong on our jobs. So what happens? We come home from work, still noticing what's wrong, and we become very difficult to be with because all we're talking about is what's wrong. We need to override that tendency. It takes courage, it takes attention, but it can be done, and you will get better at it over time. I mentioned that there were 4 horsemen. Doing these will increase the likelihood of killing those 4 horsemen in your relationship.